Strobel Manufacturing, a Nebraska business with a tradition of building durable equipment for farming, ranching, and construction. Proven and tested, our forced ejection scrapers allow for maximum earth moving. The Pro Grader boasts the most unique features on the market. Strobel bulk and box seed tenders make filling your planter quick and efficient. From design to rolling stock, expect quality craftsmanship. Visit StrobelMFG.com.
I don't want to say it's overbuilt, but it isn't going to break. The design and the way they pull down the road, they don't move. They're just balanced right. The wheels are in the correct spots, and it doesn't overload the truck. They've done a real nice job.
It's what drives us to go to the race too, is just to go race against these guys, and I love being a part of it.
Shade. You know, I mean, you look at the investment in cattle these days with the cattle market, it's just huge. And protecting that investment, even in the sunshine and the heat.
Keeping those cattle cool. Let's take a look.
There's a lot to see out here at Husker Harvest Days, and this is kind of a new thing that's in Strobel Manufacturing area. Let's talk about this first. What is this that we have?
Our cattle shades, we came out with it. There's some out on the market that are 30 by 30. We came out with a 40 by 40 and then roll up tarps for storage. They're made out of 70% mesh. They have a peaked roof to let the air flow through. They're complete with a concrete base, weigh about 2 tons.
The clean out's nice. Most of the time, the first time the guys come and watch me unload onto theirs, they will peek in the windows to see if it's actually cleaned out, and then there's kernel clean in there. So yeah, there's nothing left in there. So I haven't had issues with paint peeling. Like I said, this is 3 years on, and they've been sitting out all year long. I don't get them stored inside, so you know, they've done a nice job.
Strobel has a unique design of a lockdown, so you can put all your Pro boxes on there. You can lock down with one handle. It locks all the boxes down from the interior floor design and hookup. All the sumps have plastic augers that are polycupped augers in the bottom, polycupped augers going up. We found out through Ohio State research that that's the gentlest on the seed there is available.
It's good for Nebraska. It's good for Merritt County. And for me personally, it's close. So fantastic for me, being only 10 miles away. But they stock parts, so if anything's ever broke, it's just, you know, you'll have it within the day.